Hey everyone, welcome back to the class, and now we will do exercise 2.3 question number 1, and this is going to be super easy. Okay, first of all, before I start, I'm going to give you a hint how to do this one. And one thing, please do not think maths is tough. If you think like this, then you cannot learn mathematics. If you only love mathematics, then only you can learn mathematics in a more easy way. But of course, I can see means you may not love mathematics suddenly, just because now since a long time you are not very well with mathematics. So that's why at least think opposite of that. Means you think that I love mathematics and keep saying in your brain, and then just learn. Never say I don't love mathematics. Okay, so let's start this one, and this is going to be super easy. Okay, before I do this one, I'm going to give you a hint. Always you consider the given polynomial as fx or px, whatever you want, you give it, and find the zero of divisor by equating it to 0, and then put the value of 0 in a whatever your f of x or px to get the remainder. Okay, now if you don't understand this, then let's see the solution of this question. Solution. I will just say I'm going to write this equation as a f of x is equal to x cubed plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so we'll solve this equation, question number 1, problem number 1. As we can see here, or if you say in short, x plus 1. Okay, this is here. So what we need to do, we'll put the value of that one is a 0. Okay, we have to find out the 0 of polynomial. Okay, so I can just write here the 0 of x plus 1 is, you see, x plus 1 is there, otherwise is x is equal to, you see, what number you should, let me explain, x plus 1 equal to 0. So what number will make it 0? Simple. If you put minus 1 plus 1, then it will become 0. So x value will be minus 1. And if you don't understand this one, then x plus 1 equal to 0 will send the 1 that side. This will be minus 1. Okay, so that's why it's minus 1. I hope you have understood this, and this is easy, I guess. Yeah, okay, minus 1. Otherwise you just put the value equal to 0. Okay, just now I said equating it to 0, so I just equating it to 0. Okay, otherwise you can write, since x plus 1 equal to 0, so that's why x is equal to minus 1. If you don't understand that one, okay, I gave the reason also. Now here, after this, on putting x is equal to minus 1 in f of x, you can just write we get. Okay, so f of x is a minus 1 cube. I'm just putting the value over here. Okay, and then minus 1, and then your plus 3 minus 1 is square plus 3 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so now if you multiply minus 1 3 times, you will get the negative. Okay, so that's why it's minus 1. Minus 1 square is always 1. Okay, 1 into 3 will be 3. Again same, minus into 3 is minus 3, and then plus 1. Minus this one will become 0. Minus 1 and plus 1 is also become to 0. And as we can see, remainder, here we got 0, so we can say hence the remainder is 0. Okay, so I hope you have understood this one. You can do the number 2 also. I will try to do number 2 in a little bit short way. Okay, I'm just going to write number 2. Let's say okay, x minus 1. Okay, here we can say x minus 1. Okay, this is given to you, so I'm just going to write x minus 1 is equal to 0, and we can see x is equal to minus 1 by 2 will go that side and it will become 1 by 2. Okay, so I can just write, I'm doing in short, therefore f of 1 by 2, okay, is equal to okay, I'm just putting this one 1 by 2 cube plus 3 1 by 2 square plus 3 and 1 by 2 plus 1. So we'll do one thing now. Okay, after this, you see 1 cube means 1, 2 cube means if you multiply 2 into 2 into 2, you will get 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 8. 1 square is your 1 only. If you multiply that one, then 3, and 2 square is your 4. Okay, and if you multiply 3 1 is 3, and downside will be 2, and this side 1. Okay, so let's take the LCM. As you can see, this is in, say all of them are in 2 tables, so you can just take, okay, if you don't know that one also, I will do this one. You can see we can take 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. Again 2 2s are and 2 1s are. So if you multiply this 3, no need to multiply 1 because anything multiplied by 1 is same. So it will be 8. So I already told you, if there is same table, then you just take the highest number. Okay, so if you divide 8 by 8, you will get 1. Okay, now what I'm saying, I hope you are understanding it properly. If you are finding any difficulties, then please comment down. You see, if you divide 8 by 8, 8 1s are 8, isn't it? So 1 into this, 1 into 1 is your 1. Okay, plus if you 4 divide by 8, you will get 2. Okay, 2 into 3 is your 6. If you divide by 2, you will get 4. 4 3s are 12. And this side, nothing means 1. If you divide 1 and 8, you will get n only. Okay, so directly you can multiply. 8 1s are 8. So if you plus all this thing, 27 by 8. So this is your answer for question number 2. This is the remainder of that question. Okay, let's do the question number 3. Okay, let me rub this one. Okay, let's do the question number 3. Okay, question number 3, we have Roman number 3, we have x. Okay, nothing is there, so I can just write x equal to 0. It will be of course 0 only. Okay, so we can just write like earlier, x is equal to 0. Okay, therefore f of x is equal to this one, 0 into 0 cube, 3 into 0 square, and then 3 into 0 and plus 1. Okay, so we know that anything multiplied by 0 is 0, isn't it? So we'll have only 1, so is equal to 1. So this, therefore, remainder is equal to 1. I hope you have understood this one. Let's see the question number 4. If you have any difficulties, but yeah, if you find this one easy, then do by yourself. Pause the video and do it by yourself, try, and then after you watch the video again. So let's see the question number 4. Okay, so let's see, this is easy only, not tough. Number 4. Okay, So same here, we'll put the pi is, that one is equal to 0. So we can just say, okay, directly I'm doing. So we got x is equal to, this will go to the side. This is constant. Pi means we know, of course. Then 3.14 you can say approximately, or you can say 22/7. Pi is a constant number. We cannot change the value of pi. Okay. So therefore f of x or f of minus pi is equal to, we'll just put the value minus pi cube. Okay. Plus 3 minus pi square, because square na, plus 3 minus pi and plus 1. So if you see, if you minus this one, you will get minus pi cube. You will be getting, okay, this will be, sign will be minus, no, sign will be plus only, sorry, plus 3 pi square, okay, and minus 3 pi plus 1. So whatever may be, this is your, we cannot do anything because we cannot do plus and minus because all are having different powers. So we can say, therefore, hence, the remainder is, you write this one, okay, over here. This is your answer, question number 4. And I hope you can do the question number 5. If you cannot, then let's see. Let's do that one first. Okay, let's do this one. Number 5. Okay. We can just write here the 0, और just you can just write ऐसा नहीं लिख के ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ये मैं पहले से लिख रहा था, इसमें ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो. On putting 5 plus x is equal to 0, we can get, you see, 2x, 5 will go to the side, the minus, therefore x is equal to minus 5/2. Okay, we can write like this also, no problem. So let's do the another step. Therefore f of x, in place of f of x, we'll write minus 5/2. Okay, we just write minus 5/2 cube plus 3 minus 5/2 square plus 3 minus 5/2 and plus 1. So done this one, and just we need to calculate only. This will be minus 125/8. This will be plus because the square, whenever square, always remember this will be plus. Okay, so 5 square is 25, 25 into 3, 75, and 2 square is your 4, minus, this will be 3 5 is 15/2 and plus 1. Okay, so as you can see, this is again same LCM, same table, so LCM will be same. If you divide it, you will get the minus 125. If you divide with 2, you will get the 75. 75 into 2 is 150. Okay, minus, if you do a 40 into this one, 4 into this one will be 60, and 8 ones are 8. Okay, so let's see this one. If we add, let's add this one, 6, 5, 8, 1. This will be minus, is done, 158/6. If you minus 5 into 8, this will be 7, and this will be 2/8, and this will be negative sign because this is bigger. Okay, so this is your question number 1 from the exercise 2.3, and for now this much only, and see you soon in the next video. And I hope you find out this one easy, and if you find out this one easy, then please hit the like button so that I can know that you are understanding, you are liking my video. Okay, you are able to understand my video. Okay, so till then, bye bye.